So you can see where I've kept working. So I worked on my second fish. I put some little plants that are underwater. These brown things are going to be rocks. They're not quite convincing for rocks right now, so what I'm going to do is give them a light side and a dark side. So if I go along here, add some little stuff for texture there. So I'm only going halfway around one side. And it might look nice to do a similar effect to the plants there, to sort of bring those out a little more as well. Now what I'm going to do, and you might want to give your painting some dry time before moving on to this part, is I want it to seem like it's underwater. So before, when I did the water effect, the fish and everything went on top of that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the same effect, but I'm going to work directly on top. So I'm going to actually drip the blue paint onto the paper again and let it overlap onto the fish. So let's say I do some near the koi right there. And I'm going to go ahead and get ready. I'm going to do some more over here too. So then I'm going to shake out the extra paint from the straw. Oop, I would hold on to your paper. I didn't anticipate it blowing away like that. So then I'll get some more. Put some over here so I know it's going to overlap onto the other koi. And if I need to, I can turn my paper different directions to get to it easier. Now this paint is watered down quite a bit, so the color I use is going to be light enough to let everything still show through. So I have water that is under the fish as they're swimming, but then I have water over it too, making them seem more like they're actually submerged all the way in the water. So if you took my advice and you had a second one going, now you're going to work on that second one. I look forward to seeing images of what you guys finish.